Hey, hi there. Welcome to Quizzy Springs. Today, we're gonna do some trivia questions all about life under the sea. You'll get 1 point for each correct answer. So keep score. All right, my friend, here we go. Which fish is known for its sword-like bill? The correct answer is swordfish. It's called that because, well, its bill looks just like a sword. Super cool, right? What type of animal is a starfish? The correct answer is a starfish. It's actually an echinoderm, which is just a fancy way of saying it's one of those cool, spiny sea creatures. What ocean is the Great Barrier Reef located in? Oh, it's the Pacific. That's where the Great Barrier Reef is chillin'. How do jellyfish move? The answer is jellyfish move by propelling with water. They squish their bodies to push water out and zoom around, kind of like underwater balloons. What do you call a baby whale? The correct answer is a calf. Yep, just like a baby cow. Who knew whales and cows had that in common, right? Which ocean is the deepest? The correct answer is the Pacific Ocean. It's literally the deepest, like the Mariana Trench is crazy deep, dude. What kind of habitat do dolphins prefer? Dolphins totally love hanging out in saltwater. That's where most of them live and have the best time. Which fish has venomous spines and is often brightly colored? The right answer is a lionfish. They're those super colorful fish with venomous spines. How many hearts does an octopus have? The answer is 3. Yep, an octopus has 3 hearts. Crazy, right? What is the main diet of a sea otter? The main diet of a sea otter? That's gotta be crustaceans. They munch on stuff like crabs and clams all day. Which creature is known as the sea cow? Oh, that's a manatee. You know, those big, gentle giants in the water? People call them sea cows because they kind of graze on underwater plants. Which oceanic zone has the greatest diversity of life? The correct answer is the sunlight zone. It's where most of the ocean life hangs out because there's plenty of light and food. What kind of animal is a brittle star? The correct answer is a brittle star. It's like a cool, bendy sea creature that's part of the echinoderm family, like sea stars and sea urchins. What's the fastest marine animal? The fastest marine animal? It's the sailfish. This dude can swim super fast, making him the speedster of the ocean. What do you call a large group of fish swimming together? The answer is a school. Yep, that's what you call a bunch of fish hanging out together. What is the main defense mechanism of a pufferfish? The main defense mechanism of a pufferfish? Oh, that's inflating. It puffs up to look bigger and scare off predators. Pretty cool, right? Which type of whale is known for its complex songs? The correct answer is the humpback whale. These whales are famous for their super complex songs. They're like the rock stars of the ocean. What part of the ocean is directly the deepest? Oh, that's the Mariana Trench. It's the deepest part of the ocean. Like super deep? How can a sea turtle retract its head? The correct answer is, sea turtles can't actually retract their heads. Unlike other turtles, they're built differently. What do penguins use to communicate? Penguins communicate using displays. They use a mix of body movements and sounds to talk to each other. It's like their own cool penguin language. What organism is responsible for red tides? The answer is algae. Yep, these tiny guys cause those big red tides in the ocean. How do clownfish benefit from sea anemones? The answer is shelter. Clownfish get protected because sea anemones have stinging tentacles that scare away predators. What is the primary diet of filter-feeding whales? Alright, listen up. The primary diet of filter-feeding whales is plankton. These tiny critters might be small, but they're like a whale's favorite snack buffet. Which ocean is the Arctic Ocean primarily connected to? Okay, so the Arctic Ocean is mainly connected to the Atlantic Ocean. You know, like how your driveway connects to the street. What kind of fish does Nemo from Finding Nemo represent? The right answer is clownfish. Yup, Nemo's that little orange and white striped guy who lives in the sea anemone. What type of animal is the krill? The answer is a krill. It's a tiny crustacean, basically like a shrimp, and it's super important for ocean food chains. Which creature is known for its deadly sting? The answer is the box jellyfish. This sneaky sea critter is known for its super deadly sting. What animal is often called the canary of the sea? The correct answer is the beluga whale. It's called the canary of the sea because it makes a bunch of cool, high-pitched sounds. Which sea creature has teeth strong enough to crush bones? The right answer is the great white shark. Those guys have teeth so strong they can actually crush bones. How cool is that? What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans? The answer is 70%. Yeah, oceans cover like most of the Earth's surface. Pretty crazy, right? So how'd you do? I bet you got them all. Hey, make sure to like and subscribe to Quizzy Springs so you don't miss more fun facts and trivia like this. Thanks for playing. See you on the next video.